So here I have my Fujifilm GFX 50R, and with the lens on, I can take a picture. Now with mechanical or electronic shutter, it's working no problem. However, when I want to use an adapter, now I have an adapter here. This is a Kipon XPan-GFX-Adapter, and I'm going to be using my XPan 30mm lens. And when I put this on, and I try to fire the shutter, nothing happens. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that I go into the menu, go down to the spanner or the wrench, and go down to button dial setting, and then go to shoot without lens and turn that on. And so what that's going to do is the camera doesn't recognize the adapter. So now it's going to shoot with whatever's on there, and you'll be able to take a picture. I hope that helped. If you have any questions or thoughts, please share them in the comments below. If you like the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much.